All right, I don't want to insult anybody's intelligence, but I don't want to take a chance that somebody doesn't know how to do this. Guys, when you turn on your cell phone and you hold it in a upward position like I've got on the left, that's what your calculator will look like. If you turn it on the side, it becomes a scientific calculator. All right, it has all the trig functions just like the yellow calculator does, except you can't, at least I haven't been able to find out how to yet, enter them in fractions. All right, I'm going to do problems number 1 and number 9 for you, and show you how to use the calculator app. All right, for these, like I said, this is the exact same assignment that we did last, I don't know, I've lost track of time. Monday, Wednesday, I'm not real sure. The one thing you have to know is when you turn it on its side, it's the first thing that's going to come up is the first level. You have to switch it to the second level, which is down here. All right, that'll give you the arc sign. All right, so it would just be sine equals something. When you go to the second level, it'll come up where you can hit the arc sign, which is right there. All right, now it's backwards. The sign isn't going to show up on your printout screen. The way to enter that is type in 0.4848 and then hit the arc sign button. If you do that, you'll come up with an answer of 28.999, which you're just going to write as 29 degrees. So that's number 1. And just to say it again, all you do is turn your calculator on its side, hit the second button, right? That'll bring up the arc sign that we worked with that last class period, all right? Then you type in the 0.4848. Then hit enter, and you'll come up with 29 degrees. All right, I'm going to look at number 9. All right, we're looking at this triangle. We want to know what angle is the question mark. All right, from that angle, the perspective is it's going to be opposite over adjacent. All right, so we know that opposite over adjacent is tangent. So to find this angle, we're going to use arctangent, 27 over 38. On your calculator, it's sitting on its side like you see in this picture. You type in 27 divided by 38, and then just go down and hit the arctange button. Let me make this better. Down here. So, to get the answer for this, to find out the degrees of the question mark, you type in 27 divided by 38 equals, and then hit tan with the little -1 up in the side. That just the -1 like for an exponent. That's the arctangent button, and it'll give it to you in degrees. The answer for this will be 35. 35.4 if you want to be exact. 35.4. That's the degrees of the angle at the question mark. All right, I'm going to do one more. This is number 13. All right, looking at this triangle, we're supposed to determine what the angle is for the question mark. All right, in respects to the question mark, we've got opposite and hypotenuse. So opposite hypotenuse is going to be sine. Sine, and because we're trying to find out the angle, we're going to do the arc sine To do that, we're going to put the opposite over the hypotenuse, and that'll give us the correct number, or that'll give us the number in degrees. All right, first thing to do in your calculator is to enter 10 divided by 39. You'll get a number 0.256. Okay, from there you just go over. Your calculator should be in second, where you're getting the arc sign buttons, the buttons like they look right now. Okay, you've hit the second button. You go over and hit inverse sine or arc sign, however you want to say it, and you'll come up with a number 14.9 degrees. All right, the one thing I noticed when playing with this calculator is it's a little bit temperamental. Sometimes you have to go up here and hit the clear buttons. Hit the clear buttons up here a few extra times. What was happening was my calculator was turning this into percentage when I hit 10 divided by 39, and that's not what you want. You want a decimal. So clear it out. The way to do this is 10 divided by 39, then hit the arc sign button right there. All right, check your emails, look at what I've got posted, follow the instructions to the letter to get full credit. All right, y'all have a good day, and you'll find another video from me on Wednesday. I might be putting it up the night before. If not, check for it early on Wednesday morning.